Hello my dear friends, we discuss about surface areas and volume of various type of shapes, and let's study of chapter 13 as per NCERT, CBSE and State Board. Now let's calculate exercise 13.1, and first question is as on screen. 2 cube of each. I have already 2 cube. First and second. Okay, 2 cube each of volume 64 denoted by V. Okay, volume denoted by V, 64 centimeter cube. Okay, now let edge of 1 cube equal to A and volume of cube equal to A cube, and given of each cube is 64 centimeter, then it will be A cube equal to 64. Okay, it can be write A cube equal to 4 cube. So A will be 4 centimeter. Now for resulting cuboid, now for resulting cuboid, now width will be same. Okay, 4 centimeter, height will be same, 4 centimeter. Okay, if joined both face, these are same, but length is change. For this edge, it will be 8. So L will be 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Okay, and B equal to 4 and H equal to height 4. All are in centimeter. Okay, because both are joined end to end, so its result will become, okay, we know surface area of cuboid equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, now put the value of all width, height and length. 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So it will be 32 plus 16 plus 32. Okay, it will be 2 into 80. Now it will be 160 centimeter square. It is the result. Okay, answer. Question is here on the screen. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay, hemisphere, it is also hemisphere. Okay, and it is also hemisphere. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter. Okay, now the height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is here, ये 13 centimeter. Okay, now radius of, it is the center line. Okay, now radius of hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Okay, Now let R now let R be radius of cylinder. Okay, and H is HB height of cylinder. Okay, now height of cylinder will be 13 minus radius of hemisphere, 13 minus 7 equal to 6. So H will be 6. Okay, it is given 6. Okay, and R will be 7 centimeter. Okay, inner curved surface area of vessel will be curved surface area of the cylinder means 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of the hemisphere portion. Okay, 2 pi R square. Okay, 2 pi R H plus R. Okay, now put the value in this. 2 into the value of pi 22 by 7 into R is 7 into H is 6 plus R is 7. Now 7 is 7 cancel. Okay, 44 into 13. Okay, it will be 572 centimeter square. Okay, it is the answer. Now third question is, the toy is in the form of cone. Radius is R is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, on the hemisphere is that. Okay, on the same radius, here is given R equal to R1, radius of cone equal to radius of hemisphere. Okay, 3.5 also, it is centimeter. Okay, then the total height of toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height of toy is 15.5 centimeter. Okay, now cone height will be H. Cone height H will be 15.5 minus R means radius of hemisphere 3.5 equal to 12 centimeter. H will be 12 centimeter. We calculate salient height of the cone. Okay, height will be 12 centimeter and R is 3.5. Salient height will be L. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. So L equal to h square plus r square. So h is 12 square plus r is 3.5 square. Okay, so it will be root 156.62. Now value of L will be 12.5 centimeter. Okay, now total surface area of the toy is total surface area of the toy is cut surface area of the cone pi rl plus cut surface area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. Now take common pi r. Now L plus 2r. Okay, so put the value of pi 22/7 into r is 3.57 centimeter. Okay, L is 12.5 plus 2 into r is 3.5. Okay, now it is cancel. Okay, 2 से ये cancel 11. So 11 into 12.5 plus 7. Okay, now 11 into 19.5 equal to 214.5 centimeter square. It is the answer. Okay, now question 4. The cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Okay. Cube side is 7 centimeter. Okay, now the base of hemisphere is mounted at the top of cube. So that the greatest diameter of hemisphere equal to side of cube. Equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, it is clear. Now it will be d equal to, okay, now r equal to d by 2. So r will be 7/2 centimeter. Okay, now total curved surface area will be, now total surface area of cube 6 into side square plus total area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square minus base area of the hemisphere pi r square. It can be write 6 into side square plus pi r square, बिकॉज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर में से ये पाई आर स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. नाउ पुट वैल्यू हियर 6 into side is 7 centimeter plus pi will be 22 upon 7 into r is 7 by 2. Now 6 into 49 plus 7 and 2 11, it is cancelled, so 11 into 7 by 2. Okay, so 294 plus 77 by 2, it is 32.5 centimeter square. It will be answer. Okay. Question 5. A hemisphere. Now we calculate question 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block. Okay. V cut at the top. Okay. It is the hemispherical okay. It is wooden block. Okay, so such as diameter L of the hemispherical is equal to edge of cube. Let edge of cube equal to A. Okay, given the relation diameter of hemisphere L. Now given the relation dia of hemisphere L equal to A. Okay, edge of cube, so R equal to dia upon 2, so A equal to. Okay, now total area. Now we calculate total surface area of the remaining solid. Now total surface area of remaining solid. Okay, now total area of the cube, all faces, there are 6 faces, so into side square. Okay, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of the hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square, we know that, minus base area of the hemisphere pi r square. Okay, now we can simplify 6 a square, because a is the side of cube, plus pi r square. Okay, so we calculate in terms of pi. 6a square plus pi a by 2 square. Now 6a square plus pi a square upon 4. Now take LCM. 4, 24 a square plus pi a square. Okay, a square by 4 is common. A square by 4 is common. Now pi plus 24 centimeter. Okay, it is answer. Now we calculate question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck on each ends, figure as shown in figure. Okay, the length of entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter is of the capsule 5 mm. Find the surface area. Okay, now solution. Let R be radius, okay, and H be height of cylinder. Okay, now given data is R 5 by 2 because diameter is given 5 mm, R equal to diameter upon 2, so 2.5 mm. Now there is radius 2.5, okay, and also 2.5, so H of cylinder means height of cylinder will be 14 minus 2 into 2.5 means both radius equal to 9 mm, so H will be 9 mm. Okay, so it will be 9 mm. Okay, it is the height of cylinder. Now surface area of capsule is curved surface area of both end hemispherical 2 into 2 pi r square, okay, plus curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h. Now we take common 2 pi r and 2 r plus h. It is equal to 14 into r plus h from figure. Okay, now put the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 14. Okay, now it is cancelled 2. Now 24 into 2.5 into 2 equal to now 220 mm square. Now we calculate question number 7. A tent is in shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter. Okay, height is 2.1 meter. It is the height of cylinder. Okay, and it is the diameter. This is 4 meter. Okay, and radius will be 2 meter. Okay, so now and salient height of the top is salient height is here 2.8 meter. Okay, of the canvas. For making tent, also find the cost of canvas tent at the rate of 500 per square meter. Okay, note that base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. Okay, let R be radius of cylinder. Okay, and H be height of cylinder. Okay, and L be the salient height of cone. Okay, now given L is 2.8 meter, H is 2.1 meter, and R is 2 meter. Okay, now surface area of canvas will be curved area of the cylinder 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of cone pi RL pi R plus L plus 2H now put value. Pi is 22/7 into R. Okay, L is 2.8. Okay, plus 2 into 2.1. Okay, now 44/7 into 7, it is cancelled, so area will be 44 meter square. Cost of canvas of tent in now rupees 500 into 44 equal to rupees 42,000 answer. Okay, clear? 8. Now we calculate question 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Okay, 2.4 centimeter. Okay, it is height, and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Conical cavity of the same height and same diameter. Okay, this is the conical. Okay, if same height, R will be 0.7 centimeter. Okay, now height is same 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so find the total surface area of remaining solid to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so let R be radius, H be height. Okay, and L be salient height. Okay, now salient height is under root H square plus R square. Okay, now L is 2.4 plus 0.7 square equal to root 6.25 equal L is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, it is calculated. Now total surface area of remaining solid is total cylindrical surface area 2 pi RH plus it is base area pi r square. Okay, and plus surface area of conical cavity pi r L. Now pi r is common. Now 2h plus r plus L. Okay, so put value here. Pi is 22/7, r is 0.7, 2 into h is 2.4, r is 0.7, L is 2.8. Okay, bracket close. Now on calculating 2.2 into 8 equal to 17.6 centimeter square equal to 18 centimeter square. Answer. Okay. A wooden article was made by scooping out of a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown on figure. Okay, this is the okay, and if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, height of cylinder is 10 centimeter. Okay, and its base of the radius is 3.5 centimeter. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and find the total surface area of the article. Okay, let r be radius of cylinder. Okay, radius of cylinder, and h is hb height of cylinder. Okay, and it is given radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and h is 10 centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder, total surface area of article will be, now curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi RH plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere at both sides, so multiply by 2. Okay, now 2 pi r square, because r is same, cylinder and hemisphere radius are same, pi r take common, h plus 2r is here. Now put value here, 2 into 22/7 into 3.5 bracket, h is 10 plus 2r 2 into 3.5. Okay, bracket close. Now it is cut here. 2 is cancelled. Okay, so 22 into 17. So putting value and cut 22 into 17 and multiply 22 into 17, 374 centimeter square. Okay, it is answer.